In Microsoft Project, unlike Primavera, we don't have a specific place for creating WBS. Create WBS in Microsoft Project. In the previous lesson, we have inserted all tasks. In the Excel file, I can see that execution is WBS of all these activities. It is just like an activity here. For making this task as WBS, select all tasks under execution and in Task tab, in Schedule group, select Indent. They are all gone under Execution WBS. And Construction, a small warehouse, contains all these WBSs and activities. How can I bring all these tasks under construction? Pause the lesson here and do it, like what I did for execution. Little progresses add up to big results.